The Odyssey is a minivan which Honda has been offering on the US advertise for well-finished 10 years now. The auto figured out how to make a notoriety for itself, with over 90% of its purchasers thinking the auto is well over the normal of its class. So far it has been one of the better offering minivans on the US market, and we question this will change at any point in the near future. Not very far in the past, Honda discharged another rendition for the auto which is significantly superior to its ancestor. All things considered, it would appear that the auto will get a little refresh with the 2019 Honda Odyssey. The progressions won't be as extraordinary, yet they will enable the Odyssey to genuinely turn into the best in its class. The new model is as of now available to be purchased in most Honda's dealerships. The future 2019 Honda Odyssey will probably hit the market at some point in the mid-2018. Its cost shouldn't change over what it right now costs. The base model should at present be around $31,000, which isn't the minimum it could be. Be that as it may, at the cost the Odyssey accompanies more rigging than its adversaries, so the incentive for cash is in reality superior to huge numbers of its opponents.
Yeah.